Okay, so in our second one, I'm going to show you two ways of setting up to cut it. One using a block and a G-clamp. So open up our G-clamp. Yeah, you're good. Open our G-clamp up, all the way up. Put a piece of scrap timber or waste timber underneath. Put a block of wood on between your lines, and then clamp it up. This should help keep it nice and straight. Then grab your tenon saw. Remember, the tenon saw is one that's got a stiff back on it. Pistol grip, finger down the side if you can. If you're left-handed, like so. If you're right-handed, you want your wood on the right-hand side. Place your tenon saw on there. Place your thumb as a guide on top. Just lightly. Small cuts, nice and small. That's it. And we're going to cut all the way through. Nice and steady. Just check both sides to make sure you're between your lines. And there we have it. So we're between our lines. So you can see there's a cut between the lines. Just check both sides to make sure as you go. That's the first technique. The second technique I'm going to show you in a minute is how to use the bench hook.